Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing a WeatherTech DigitalFit Floor Liner for Ford Transit Connect. It's part number 445991. This is going to be an easy unboxing because there's only two things in the box, so let's get into it. Like I said, this is part number 445991. This is for the 2014 to 2021 Ford Transit Connect. It fits both the cargo van as well as the passenger van, and it fits the long wheelbase as well, the short wheelbase. Now, the one thing to look out for with floor liners on the Transit Connect is if you've got vinyl floors up front, it's a different part than if you've got the carpet floors, and sometimes it's a different part if depending on the footrest location and things like that. So make sure you're answering all those questions before you check out to make sure that you're getting the right liner sent to your door. This is how it ships, just in a brown box like this. Sometimes I've seen them in a white box with some graphics on it, but plain old box, lightweight. You know, as your UPS, FedEx drivers are throwing these around, not gonna be a lot of damage there. And these are made in the USA. If you're familiar with WeatherTech's advertising, you know that they're big Made in USA people. Maybe you've seen their Super Bowl ad. Actually made right outside of Chicago. Nice thing about these, they have a lifetime warranty. So as you can see, yeah, we got our two liners here. There's a little instruction guide and some clips there. And so we got our driver side and our passenger side liner here. WeatherTech, they're sold by the row. Sometimes you can buy a full kit for the full vehicle if you've got multiple rows, but you get the driver's side and the passenger side in the same part. And this is a thermoplastic TPE, and it's not a vinyl or a rubber or a latex or anything like that, so you're not gonna get the off-gassing that you get from some of those horrible floor mats that are out there in the market. They're also not gonna fade to UV light or anything like that. As you can see, there's kind of a textured finish on top here, which gives it kind of a nice rugged look in the vehicle. On the back, just kind of a smooth finish. They both have these little retaining posts here, and I think only the driver's side in the van actually has the little post sticking out of the floor where these are gonna click into. And just because of the size of these liners and these little retaining clips, these aren't gonna be shifting, moving around while you're moving your feet in the van. If you've ever had some of those kind of universal floor mats in your vehicle, you know they can kind of shift, move around. You don't have to worry about this thing getting in front of the gas or brake pedal, which is great. This is really what separates a floor liner from a floor mat. Look at just the edges on this mat. Like, what is that, 4 or 5 inches on the side here? That's gonna protect the side of your vehicle. If you've ever had just a floor mat in general, you know, sometimes that liquid and all that kind of spills over onto the carpet, and so you don't really get that protection from the mat that you can from a liner. So again, these are like laser measured, 3D scanned, whatever, and they take that data and they build a mold, and then they inject that mold with plastic, and that's how they get this product here. You can see on both of them, they have these little ridges here. It's not just for design aesthetics, but these have a purpose, and they're supposed to collect, you know, as moisture and stuff falls off of your foot. It's supposed to go into these little channels and drain into this main retention area down below. Great thing about these, in the spring, after you're done with all your salt, water, mud, junk on your boots, you take them out, you hose them off, put them back in, you're good to go, your van's protected. So it's a great investment from that standpoint. We had a little bit of an accessory pack here, and these are just little pointy little grips. What do they call them? Tech Grip 2 kit for carpet, and these actually snap into those retainer clips. And I think for the passenger side, snaps into here, and then this helps keep the mat or the liner from moving around in the vehicle. So a nice little addition here from WeatherTech. Again, this is a super simple install. Take out whatever you have in the footwell area, put this in, snap it in place, get those little tech grips in place, and you're good to go. So not too much to look over here. A great product. I actually put these in every vehicle I own, not just in my work van. And yeah, so if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your cargo van to make it work ready Be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name's Ryan, and have a good one.